Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have Mega MINUTIAE Game Jam hosted by AmalgamAsh. This game jam has some unique themes and challenges that your game will need to fulfill in order to qualify, like making every in-game object interactable, or not using the letter E in any text throughout the game. All submissions will be played by the host on his YouTube channel, and the game jam starts from 1st July and ends on the 1st of August. Next, we have 7 orchestral tracks of music by Paz, an MV&MZ plugin by Spider that allows us to add a smart help and description window to items, equipment, and skill. A resource collaboration is happening on the Jam and RPG Maker forum, where members are creating and submitting resources on the theme of primitive technology. Currently on the thread, we have some balloons, tiles, and sprites that have been submitted. The collaboration ends on the 31st of August, and all resources submitted by them will be packaged together and distributed to the community. And lastly, we have a Japanese article tutorial for plugin coders written by Panda on how to make your plugins work when a user places them inside a subfolder. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.